I didn't mean to.
That's what they always say. I was cleaning it.
But this is my first time shooting.
To the left a tiny bit. You get a bruise. Pick your arm up. Pick your arm up. Pick your arm up and tuck it in tight.
Like that?
Yep. You gotta get your arm up a little more.
Ain't it gonna hit me?
No, it's not gonna hit you.
You gotta go behind that line. Behind this
I'm afraid it's gonna hit me in the face.
It's not.
It ain't.
It's heavy.
You want to switch that one? The blue guy?
Did I shoot anything?
I wasn't paying attention. Try it again.
And you keep lifting your head. You got to keep your eyes